Hi everyone, I'm Ashley with HHHunt. Welcome to the Hudson. This low-maintenance townhome is over 2,400 square feet and includes up to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Let's take a look. The Hudson is the perfect place for entertaining. The large open floor plan and natural light provide a bright and inviting space for gathering with friends and family. With plenty of room for everyone, you are sure to have a memorable time. How about this amazing kitchen? You have so much space to work with. With this much countertop space and cabinetry, you can cook, bake, and store all your kitchen essentials in style. And the walk-in pantry is a great addition, providing extra storage for all your ingredients and snacks. You deserve to enjoy your beautiful kitchen. The first floor of this home is comfortable and very functional. The optional drop zone will help keep you organized, and the coat closet will be great for storing outerwear. The flex space will be perfect for setting up an office, and the powder room will be convenient for guests. Upstairs has an incredible amount of space with additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a laundry center. The large closets and additional storage spaces make it perfect for your needs. The loft is an excellent space for a fun night in. With plenty of room for seating, you can easily invite friends over for a game of cards or charades or cuddle up with your family to watch a movie. The primary suite is the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. Enjoy the privacy and comfort of your private bathroom and large walk-in closet, giving you ample space for all your belongings. It's easy to see why the Hudson is one of our most sought-after floor plans. Learn more at HHHuntHomes.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.